Everyone, welcome back to Crypto Brain. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe because here we focus purely on structured analysis, market behavior, and smart money activity rather than emotional hype. And if you want to stay ahead of major crypto moves, you are exactly where you need to be. Now, today's headline is something massive, huge Toshi move. And this is not just another random hype statement. What is currently happening inside Toshi is showing early signs of a strong bullish expansion. And if you understand this at the right time, you position yourself ahead of the majority. Let's start with the Toshi chart. Right from the beginning, what stands out immediately is the control in price action. The market is not moving randomly, it is holding structure, respecting levels, and most importantly, it is not showing any signs of panic or aggressive breakdowns. And this is where smart analysis begins. If you look closely, every dip is being absorbed. Price is not collapsing. Instead, it stabilizes quickly, which clearly tells us that buyers are stepping in consistently. This is not weakness. This is accumulation happening quietly in the background. Now, as the structure develops, something even more important becomes visible. Price begins forming higher lows, which means buyers are entering earlier on every pullback, and sellers are slowly losing control. This is a classic sign of strength building inside the market. And this is exactly the phase where most traders get confused, because nothing looks explosive yet. But in reality, this is where the foundation of a big move is being built. Now, before jumping to conclusions, let's move to the next layer. Let's scroll through the Toshi website. As we move through this, focus on the bigger picture. This is not just about visuals. This is about narrative, positioning, and market presence. The way the project is being presented, the clarity in its identity, and the overall branding. All of this plays a huge role in how attention builds in the market. Because strong moves in crypto are never driven by charts alone. They are driven by narrative, attention, and participation. And right now, Toshi is clearly building that ecosystem presence. The more attention a project attracts, the more liquidity it pulls. And where liquidity flows, price expansion follows. So now we have two things aligning: structure on the chart and narrative strength through the project. Now let's move back to the Toshi chart for final confirmation. As we return, notice how price behaves near resistance. Instead of getting rejected sharply, it starts holding close to the level. This is what we call pressure building. And when pressure builds, breakout probability increases significantly. Eventually, price starts pushing above resistance, but more importantly, it holds above it. And this is the key moment. Because when resistance turns into support, the market transitions from accumulation into expansion, and this is where things become very interesting. Now connecting everything together, huge Toshi move. We have a strong base, clear higher-low structure, narrative support through the project, and finally confirmation through price behavior. This alignment is what creates powerful moves in the market. Now the next question is, where is price heading next? Markets move towards liquidity, and above current levels, there are clear areas where price can expand. But remember, markets do not move in straight lines. There will be pullbacks, consolidations, and pauses. And these are not signs of weakness. These are signs of a healthy trend. As long as price continues to hold structure, the direction remains bullish. Now, from an opportunity perspective, this is where things become very clear. The best entries are never during hype. They are during confirmation phases like this, where the move has started, but the majority is still uncertain. And right now, Toshi is exactly in that phase. Structure is clean, momentum is building, and attention is increasing. But always remember, confirmation is everything. Do not blindly follow price. Observe it, watch how it reacts at key levels, monitor continuation strength. Because real trends sustain, while weak moves fade quickly. At this stage, Toshi is not behaving like a random meme coin anymore. It is behaving like a structured market preparing for expansion. And the traders who understand this early are the ones who position themselves correctly. So stay analytical, stay disciplined, and stay patient. Because if this huge Toshi move continues with strength, the move ahead could be significantly bigger than what most people are currently expecting. Thank you for watching, and make sure you stay connected with Crypto Brain for more high-level market analysis.